Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee espresso machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Let's go ahead and test the steam first. Nice strong steam. And then we're gonna turn off the steam and we're gonna do a cooling flush. This is our preferred method of making shots with the Rancilio Silvia. It helps prevent the boiler from burning out, and it allows you to make a shot. This is the fastest way to steam and make a shot without having to wait very long. So I usually purge about 4 to 6 ounces of water until the main steam starts coming out. And then we're going to go ahead and put the portafilter in and a cup. It's a little fast. I think it's because we were about to make a shot and then we realized we need to do a cooling flush first. But the machine's functioning well. And so thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.